Unaandikishwa kitabu, then unatuma kwa daktari, anakuandikia madawa ama anakutuma nje kwa lab. Ya, ukifika huko nje unapata pesa ni mingi kushinda ile vipimo zenye tulikuwa tunapimiwa hapo ndani. Maybe unapata ni 150, unapata huko ni 15, 2000. So unapata unajisacrifice tu juu unataka mtoto akue sawa.
Moto yenye tuko nayo hapa Busia, madaktari wetu wamegoma, wagonjwa wako na shida. Kupata huduma inakuwa shida. So tunaomba serikali, tunataka itusaidie, watu wa madaktari warudi kwa hospitali, wagonjwa wapate matibabu tafadhali.
For more than 6 months, the County Public Service Board has neglected their duties and responsibilities in ensuring that a document that was supposed to be signed by February 16th has not been signed to date. This document is our collective bargaining agreement negotiated by the Kenya National Union of Clinical Officers in the whole country. And as we speak, Busia County has made no effort. And we are aware, and the CEO of the Public Service Board is aware.
Still have a County Public Service Board of Busia, which are still comfortable. Yet our members here are still in job groups that are illegal as at now. Their job group H was abandoned in 2024 May. And someone is sitting in office claiming that they are the County Public Service Board. Yet that's a very crucial part of and function of a County Public Service Board. You cannot be in County Public Service Board, yet the officers under you are still in a defunct job group.